What's up, SCU? My name's Chisomaga. This is McWalsh. Welcome to my crib. Let's go. And then this is where everything goes down. A custom state-of-the-art foosball table, a pool table, you know? Laundry is over there. But the piece de resistance of this place, the projector, where I watch all my movies. And you get to study here as well. Custom sound and video system. All right, this is the third floor. This is the best nook to, you know, do some deep contemplative thinking. And you have the amazing view. Just look at the trees, the greenery, awesome view. Probably one of my favorite spots. I'm just gonna, you know, talk about my week. I have a bio midterm on Friday, public health and poli-sci double major. You know, I'm a sophomore at SCU. This is my second year. A lot of fun. There's a lot of really great people. We are here at 233. This is the room. This is the bed that I sleep on. There's the posters. At the beginning of every year, they have a little poster sale, so I got some of them from over here. The laptop, the desk, just the good old stuff where I do all my homework, read my books. In McWalsh, we have sinks in our room. Shout out to my parents, they got me this rug. It feels a little more, less like a dorm room and more like home, you know? All right, SCU Cribs, it's been fun. See y'all next time.